To add logo in photo using Canva, you want to come over to the create sign here and you want to find photo editor. We would click on photo editor, and from here you want to bring in the photo you want to add logo to. I will click on upload. I'm going to bring in this photo. This is the photo I want to add logo to it. And once you have it in here, you want to click on create design. Now that we have it open, you want to come over to your upload tab here and click on upload file to bring in the logo you want to add to the photo. This is a logo we want to add to this photo, and we've uploaded it here. We're going to tap on it and it drops into the photo. I can decide to keep it at the side. I can decide to let it sit in the middle or anywhere I want it to be. Say we want to leave it somewhere in the center of the document. Now I'm going to click on the photo and go over to edit and click on the tools here and click on see all. I'm going to grab this image. I'll grab the person in the image and grab him. Now that I have him grabbed, you can see that the image is now in front while the logo is behind. Let's go over to position. Let's go to layers and click on the logo, and I will come over to transparency here and tone it down a bit. You see the logo begins to fade. That way I've given this document a watermark. But if you don't want to make it a watermark, you want to make it so visible that everyone can see it. If we move it to the side here and pull it here and take back the transparency back up, you see we've added logo to this image. And now to export it, we're going to click on share here and click on download and come over to the document type and click on this drop down. We want to select PNG and we want to click on downloads to download this design into our device.